When it comes to precision, our instructor emphasizes that close enough isn't good enough from the moment we start machining. A difference of just a fraction of a millimeter can mean the difference between success and failure. Take, for example, the casing of a power bank. Even a tiny deviation can lead to significant issues. If the fit isn't perfect, the components inside won't align properly, and the final product might not function as intended. Therefore, in this area, precision is key. It's crucial to choose reliable and precise machining processes.